I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 19 of GK, and the name of the chapter is highest buildings. So we all know कि हमारे वर्ल्ड में ऐसे बहुत सारे कंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं, आर्किटेक्चर्स हैं जिनको हम लोग हाईएस्ट कंसिडर करते हैं, राइट? So in this chapter we all are going to study about those higher buildings and all those wonders architectures, right? So let's begin. So the first one is Burj Khalifa, known as Burj Dubai, is a skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. तो बुर्ज खलीफा जो है उसे हम बुर्ज दुबई के नाम से जानते हैं, and it is a skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is the tallest man-made structure in the world at 829.8 meter, that is 2,722 feet. तो ये man-made building tallest मानी जाती है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, which is 829.8 meters, that is 2,722 feet long. The Burj Khalifa uses the bundled tube design invented by the फजल रहमान खान. तो ये जो बिल्डिंग है बुर्ज खलीफा, ये डिजाइन की हुई है एक ट्यूब टाइप स्ट्रक्चर में, राइट? इन्वेंटेड बाय द फजल रहमान खान. So proportionally the design uses half the amount of steel used in the construction of the Empire State Building thanks to the tubular system. तो इसकी खास बात यह है कि इसमें जो अमाउंट ऑफ स्टील यूज किया गया है, इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाफ ऑफ द Empire State Building. So we should give a thank to the tubular system because it was possible due to that only. After that, the next we have the Petron Towers. अब ये जो Petron Towers हैं, ये है नेक्स्ट हमारे highest buildings में, also known as the Petron's Twin Towers are twin skyscrapers in the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. तो ये मलेशिया में ट्विन टावर्स के नाम से जाने जाते हैं, and they are also the skyscrapers. Planning on the Petron Towers started on 1 January 1992 and included rigorous tests and simulations of wind and structural loads on the design. After that, the next that we have is the Empire State Building. तो Empire State Building की बात हो रही है अब यहाँ पे, is a 102-story skyscraper located in New York City at the intersection of 5th Avenue and West 34th Street. तो Empire State Building जो है वो 102 फ्लोर्स में है, 102 फ्लोर्स हैं उस बिल्डिंग में, and it is located in the New York City and at the intersection of 5th Avenue and West 34th Street. It has a roof height of 1,250 feet, that is 381 meters, and with its antenna spire included its stand, it at a total of 1,454 feet, that is 443.2 meters high. तो अगर हम इसके टावर को काउंट ना करें तो इसकी हाइट होती है 1,250 फीट, दैट इज 381 मीटर्स, और अगर हम इसके टावर को भी काउंट करते हैं इसकी हाइट के साथ तो इट इज टोटल 1,454 फीट, दैट इज 443.2 meters high. After that, the next we have is Taipei 101, formerly known as the Taipei World Financial Center, is a landmark skyscraper located in Xinyi District, Taipei, Taiwan. So अब ये जो है ये एक वर्ल्ड का फाइनेंशियल सेंटर है जो एक लैंडमार्क की तरह यूज किया गया है और लोकेटेड है ज़ाइनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ताइपी, ताइवान में. इट इज वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स. तो ये भी वर्ल्ड के टॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स में काउंट किया जाता है. Taipei 101 comprises 101 floors above ground and 5 floors underground. The building was architecturally created as a symbol of the evolution of technology and Asian tradition. कि ये Taipei 101 जो है उसमें 101 floors हैं above the ground and 5 floors are there below the ground, and the building was architecturally created as a symbol. इस बिल्डिंग को क्रिएट किया गया था as a symbol of evolution of technology and ancient traditions. So that is it for the highest buildings. I hope you all have learned more about them, and that was all for this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.